eliminating the phrase, "I can't," from your vocabulary is not about delusional optimism. It is about recognizing that "I can't" is usually a defense mechanism for "I won't." When you say you can't do something, you are telling your brain that the task is too large to handle, which shuts down your problem-solving capabilities. To move from "I can't" to "I will," you must deploy the micro-habit hack for momentum. This hack is based on the biological reality that the brain fears massive change but accepts incremental progress. You begin by shrinking the target. If you can't run a marathon, you can certainly put on your running shoes. If you can't write a book, you can certainly write one sentence. The goal is to make the task so small that it is impossible to fail. By doing this, you bypass the amygdala's fear response and engage the prefrontal cortex. This is how you build the machine-like grind. You don't focus on the mountain, you focus on the next mechanical movement of your foot. Once the micro-habit is established, you move to the 7-step recovery checklist tips to maintain your progress. First, define the smallest possible version of your goal. Second, attach this micro-action to an existing habit you already perform daily. Third, track the streak, because visual progress creates a hit of dopamine that fuels the next rep. Fourth, eliminate all friction between you and the habit, such as laying out your gym clothes the night before. Fifth, prioritize the start over the finish. The hardest part of any machine is the initial rotation. Sixth, forgive the slip but never miss twice. Resilience is built by returning to the system immediately. Seventh, increase the intensity only after the habit is automatic. Momentum is a compounding force. When you stack micro wins, you change your self-identity from someone who struggles to someone who executes. You no longer need to feel motivated to act because the system handles the heavy lifting for you. Stop looking for a miracle and start looking for a micro step. "I will" is a choice that starts with the smallest possible action. Reclaim your agency, build your momentum, and let the results speak for themselves.